Ready, feet, go! It's the 20th Pad Awareness Day. Magsisimula na po ang ating selebrasyon in a few minutes.
Objective namin na ma-increase yung awareness on peripheral artery disease. And we are happy that you are here. Kayo po nung nandito, kayo po yung mag-i-invite din yung mga ibang may sakit. Siyempre yung mga may diabetes, may hypertension. Kasi po, yung malusog na ugat, talagang magsisimula sa malusog at magandang lifestyle.
Welcome, and ako'y nagpapasalamat again sa Otsuka for making this PAD Day learning sa atin, sa mga patient, at the same time, nagiging magandang activity. So, again, welcome and thank you very much.
Mas maagang matuklasan, mas maaagapan, ugat ay pangalagaan at ingatan upang makalakad ng malaya saan man puntahan. Maraming salamat po for being with us tonight and celebrating the 20th. Grabe, 20 years of commitment and consistent partnership po to our patients.